Ted,
Yes.
alam mo, marami ng impeachment proceedings nung mga nakaraan under Corona, under yung dating babaeng Supreme Court Justice. Ano pala nun? Is it Gutierrez or
Joselitos Gutierrez.
and then si President Estrada.
Era.
Hirap. They can just fine tune the rules. They have the record in the Senate, so they can just always fine tune. So ano bang rules na kailan bang they will not start from the bottom up.
I know. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
kasi kung maraming dahilan, anong may kasabihan, Ted, di ba, na
Oo nga. May paraan kung
gusto mo
gustong
talaga may paraan. Kung
gawin.
ayaw mo, may dahilan.
Oh yeah, may dahilan. Oh.
Kaya hindi ako naniniwala doon. This should be process or this should be a hearing right away because ang
Should be,
nakasalalay ang future ng ating bayan.
it should be immediate, right?
Immediate. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik.
Yes, exactly.
Wala nang patumpik-tumpik dahil
Exactly.
nakasalalay ang karangalan ng ating bansa sa buong mundo.
Yeah.
Katulad dito nung si Trump, they acted right away. The Congress acted right away to impeach him.
Yeah.
But since the uh, Senate, the majority of the members then were Republicans, so that's why uh, Trump was not convicted. But at least they held the hearing right away after he was convicted by after he was impeached by the lower house of the U.S. Congress.
Pero sa tingin ko kasi, pare, kaya parang napapansin ko, dinedelay nga nila sa Senado.
Parang gano'n at it's
Tingnan mo,
times of the essence.
yung they were still in session nung dinala ng Secretary General ng House yung
Correct.
sa Senado. Nakita natin dahil live TV eh.
Right.
Oo. Nandun pa. They were still in session.
Ba-
And it looks like alam nila na nandun na yung articles of impeachment na dinala. And yet, hindi naman lang nila in-acknowledge bago nag-adjourn.
yeah.
Wala man lang kahit isa sa kanila sa mga senators
ang,
na
ang
magsabi,
aking
by the way, Mr. President, Senate President, we heard that the articles of impeachment have been delivered to the Senate a while ago. By the 1 hour ago yata, 1 hour before the adjourn.
Mhm.
Uh, what is the intent of the Senate? Before we adjourn, let us know so we will be guided accordingly. Sana isa sa mga senators ang nagtanong. And the irony of the matter is, parang naghihintay din si Senate President Escudero na merong magko-call ng kanyang atensyon na senador. Kasi bago niya na-adjourn, merong 3 minutes or 2 minutes pause eh.
Ah,
Hindi niya binagsak yung gavel kaagad to signify the adjournment of the session. Kasi tinitingnan niya sila kung baka merong magtanong tungkol dun sa impeachment kung anong gagawin nila. Wala eh. Kahit isa.
kasi, okay,
Walang
ganito
umimik.
Ted.
Kaya, alam mo, ang analysis ko dyan pare, meron ng usapan ng mga ito.
Parang gano'n na
Kasi
nangyayari.
yung may mga re-electionist eh.
Correct. Precisely.
Kasi mapipilitan silang boboto doon sa impeachment kung i-convict nila si Sara Duterte, si Vice President Sara, matatalo sila sa Mindanao. Now, kung hindi naman nila i-convict o kahit mag-abstain lang, di ba? So they did not follow the line of the majority in the House. Ang majority gusto nilang makonvict.
Right.
And there is an assumption na merong blessing si Presidente Marcos. Kaya, and they are in the administration party. So there might be junk. So they are torn between the devil and the deep blue sea. Kasi if they convict, yung mga electionist, matatalo sila sa Mindanao. If they do not if they do not convict, baka majajang sila sa administration party. I mean, although I must acknowledge also na according to the president kanina, na-monitor ko rin yung interview niya sa media na wala siyang blessing. Did not have any hand in the filing. You remember I asked them not to proceed with impeachment because the time is not proper. At marami tayong gagawin para sa bayan.
But
And
Ted,
when
alam
I
mo,
say, ang sabi niya, kasi tinanong kung meron siyang blessing. So he denied that. Pero